Early morning, cold start. Sorry, neighbors. So good morning, everybody. We are headed out to Mustang Magic in Deer Park. This car is kind of low and it kind of scrapes a little bit, so I'm gonna have Joe and the guys take a look at it and just check out the front end, see if we need to lift it up at all. Yeah, so let's head out. So we are here, Deer Park, New York. A little early at Mustang Magic, but you know what? Better early than late, right? So like I said, we're gonna have Joe and the guys take a look underneath the car. I don't think there are any spring isolators on the springs, and I think these are Eibach grays. So we're gonna see, maybe we'll throw some isolators back up just to raise it up a little bit, because it just sucks scraping and bottoming out. So we're gonna figure out what it is. Maybe we'll get an oil change. We don't know, but we're here. Let's get in there. So here's the Cobra's new look, rocking the NVX wheels that were once on the GT. I think they look great. What do you think? So here is the convertible brace that's getting scraped up pretty bad from bottoming out. I'm gonna take a look, see what they could do. So yeah, we're gonna have to reschedule the install. We're gonna do it the right way. We're gonna throw a brand new set of springs in here, some brand new OEM Ford front end parts, and some Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates. It's the right thing to do. It's the right way to make it. Car is fine. So while I was there, I got an oil change. But yeah, we're gonna wait for the new springs to come in. They are Eibachs, not like the ones that are on the car now. They're a little bit more of a drop. These are less of a drop. And yeah, when they come in, we're gonna come back to Magic and we get it installed. So it's about a week later now, and we're here at Mustang Magic, and we're gonna get the springs swapped out, the caster camber plates on, get the whole front end buttoned up, and we should be 100% good to go. It is a beautiful day, but it's super early, and I've only had one coffee. So let's get inside and talk to the guys in there. So we had a bit of bad luck, started pulling apart the front end, and turns out that the power steering rack is leaking. And since these cars you can't get parts for because most of the stuff has been discontinued, we're gonna have to get this rack rebuilt. So Joe is pulling the rack out now. We're gonna send it out probably on tomorrow or Monday to get rebuilt. Hopefully get this thing all buttoned up for the show next Sunday. I mean, it totally sucks, but what can I do? I do love the car. It has low mileage. It's awesome. But this sucks. I mean, to, you know, put money into it, but what are you gonna do, right? That's the, I don't know, the joy of being a car person. So I'm home now, and you know what? I think this is where I'm gonna end this video, and we'll pick it up hopefully when we pick the Cobra up and it's all set and ready to go. It's kind of sad here, empty garage, kind of. Of course, the GT's here, and I can always enjoy that. It is a beautiful day. And yeah, you know, we're gonna get the rack rebuilt. We should be all set. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm selling these springs. These are a set of, I believe they're Eibach Pro kits. Maybe they're 99 to 01 Cobra. Maybe they're 03, 04 Cobra. Maybe they're hardtop, I don't know. But in any event, the drop on these is pretty significant. They're in pretty good shape. So if anybody is interested in those springs, hit me up, send me a message. I'm gonna let them go fairly cheaply. Just trying to recover a little bit of the cost of this repair slash upgrade. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you tune into the next one to see the car all finished with its fresh suspension, steering, 150%. We should be good hopefully for another 17 years or so. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button, or better yet, hit that subscribe button so you get all the latest content here on the channel. And yeah, we got a big show coming up, so I got to get the car ready for that. Picked up something from my buddy over there in the corner. I don't think you can see what that is, but nothing major, but I think it's kind of cool, so I'll probably show that in the next video as well. All right, so I will see you on the next one.